Hi, my name is Akshay Kumaria, and I am recording this to share a very interesting entrepreneurial initiative. In March 2020, two organizations, Udyam Learning Foundation and Pro Bono, came together to conduct a pilot, to design a pilot in the ITIs of Haryana. Now, ITIs or Industrial Training Institutes are constituted under the Directorate General of Training, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. And we were doing this with young learners of 17 to 19, 20-year-olds. But then COVID happened, the lockdown happened, and the design implementation parts that we had on imparting entrepreneurial knowledge and skills to these learners took a standstill. We didn't know what to do to develop what skills, how do we transfer knowledge pieces, what are the applications that we could do online. But then we converted this entire program into an online module. The vision for the program and for our participants was very simple, that we design something relevant, that we design something relatable, and something that our participant, our young learners would actually want to do. And so in collaboration, Pro Bono and Udyam, our teams started designing this, interacting with the learners. And we came up with a 3-leg program. And we designed it keeping in mind the pandemic. Now, how do we relate that to the macro picture, right? I feel like most of you would be aware that the employment scene in our country, in fact, like around the world, is not great, right? Especially in this post-pandemic world where we're trying to understand what the new normal can be. We had to start training young people to become entrepreneurs, to start experimenting, to start learning new things, to be aware of what they like and take a step, act on it, and start small and then achieve small and then perhaps make something big out of it. So with these intentions and with a great small team we started this program.
So now we needed to design a curriculum, get on board some amazing entrepreneurial educators, and implement the program. This program has 3 stages. First is basic, where we would teach all the youth learners how to build an MVP. An MVP is a minimum viable product. The second is advanced, where we would teach the youth learners about basic concepts of marketing, sales, finance, value delivery, and team building. And the third stage is incubation lab, where the graduate students from advanced stage will learn how they can establish certain partnerships and get access to key resources, which can further make their enterprises sustainable and established. So on 27th May 2020, we started rolling out this program, and it had a variety of delivery methods. We had YouTube live sessions, Zoom sessions, which were more of a two-way interaction, pre-recorded animated videos, WhatsApp support, and if needed, phone support. So we had all these delivery methods through which we were reaching out to the students, and our amazing entrepreneurial educators were entrepreneurs themselves. So they could teach the students from not only the theory that they knew about, the knowledge that they had gained, but also their own experiences. And this added a lot. And through this program, we could see the immense entrepreneurial potential that the Indian youth possesses. So over the next few days, we at Udyam Learning Foundation and Pro Bono will be sharing with you a series on this entrepreneurial program, how we taught entrepreneurship to these youth learners. And we'll be sharing information and the achievements of the youth learners and our learning from that. Now, why are we doing this? The answer is very simple. We in our small capacities believe that entrepreneurial education is going to be a key contributor to an Atmanirbhar Bharat, to an entrepreneurial India, and the amazing and bright youths that we have will guide us towards that. So cheers to an Atmanirbhar Bharat, and in the coming few days, we'll be sharing much more about this entrepreneurial program. So please follow our pages at Udyam Learning Foundation and Pro Bono, and you'll get to know much more about this program, which all of us together, if we implement, I'm pretty sure that we can make a small step towards an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you so much.